Okay, so this is going to be a video of how to take apart a PS4 controller. I have a light here. There we go. Okay, so what I'm doing today is I'm actually taking out my X square circle triangle buttons and replacing them with some aftermarket ones that I have. I've already done this once before. I didn't do a video, and I replaced it with these with my analog sticks. So just gonna do this real quick. I have it taken apart just because it's a lot easier to do or show you how. So you're gonna take out these 4 screws right here, 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 and here. You gotta pop it off. It's actually pretty easy. The only thing you do is start by putting a screwdriver down here at the bottom where you do your mic and just kind of go around to get up to here. Now the big thing with this is you want to push down on your R2 and L2 thumbs, or your triggers, R2 and L2, push down so it'll pop out on both sides, and that's pretty easy. Then there's going to be this right here. You have to pull out. It's actually, it goes just right there. Just pull out, pretty simple. Then you want to take off the battery. It goes right here. All this just pulls out, so it's pretty easy. And don't break it, because I almost did mine the first time. See right here, there's a screw hole right there. And you gotta take a screw out this right there. Not too bad. Sorry. Just a second, put this back on. Anyway, so what you do is you take this off. So all this comes right out. And boom, afterwards, you go. And you want to pull this tag off. You'll see where it is on the very back side there. But that way you can take off and change everything. But this is what they look like afterwards. Pretty cool. I like them. And then, so this is what it looks like. It's all taken apart. So it's pretty simple to take apart, easier to put back together. Just first time doing it, I'd say take your time, be careful, so you don't break anything. And, you know, $60 controllers be a lot. But if you have any questions or comments, if you like the video, please push like and subscribe for further videos I will be doing. Thanks. Have a good day.